Let's take it across to our technical experts as well to see whether they concur with the view or not. Kunal and Nooresh are with us in the studio. Kunal, you are of the view that the seasonality will be challenged this time around, right? January will be a month which will see good amount of gains.
Good morning, Anisha. So I would not say good amount of gains, but I would probably believe that the first half of the month of January should be on the positive note, and because we've seen classical or rather different points for the markets in the last couple of weeks. For example, with every 200, 300 point rally on the indices, we've actually seen more participation from the large cap names. And we've seen historically that whenever the index has rallied 8%, 10%, it's actually been a dual nature where the large caps have participated first and then followed by mid caps and small caps outperforming. But this time around, it's the large caps which have actually participated in the second half, which means that the spillover effect should happen into the next series. We are also on a comfortable note in terms of the premium for the Jan series for both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, a good 160 odd points for the Nifty and more than 300 odd points for the Bank Nifty. So that also sets the tone on a quite positive note for the markets. So at least the first half, I would probably expect the markets to be a bit more stable and continue to move up higher in an upward trajectory. And then hopefully in the second half, if in case there is any kind of a knee-jerk reaction from any of the results, etc., then I think we may probably see some bit of stock-specific or sector-specific selling.
All right, let's find out what Nooresh makes of the year gone by. Can't believe I'm already saying that, and what the next year is going to bring forth for us, given that we've ended on with a flourish at 21,700 thereabouts. What exactly is the levels that you're tracking now for 2024, Nooresh?
So overall, the view is the whole year could be pretty interesting, but for January, there could be two sets of move. The first couple of weeks could see flows continue from the FII side, because generally we've seen January first week to second week is a fresh flow season. Plus, we've had a good December. So in that case, say maybe the second half could be a little more tepid, or a little bit of a dip which should come in the second half of January. And say after the move from 19,000 to closer to 21,800, say 22,200 is the next price point I've been watching out for. And once that is done, we expect some bit of a pause going forward, and then a continuation of the rally also. So overall, the view is the bias is positive. You want to take some partial profit so that you can ride on to the move. And going forward, we could actually see some bit of a outperformance in the next couple of weeks from mid caps and small caps also. Because in the last two sessions, we've hit new highs on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, but we've not done the same on the mid cap and the small cap indices. So maybe next week we could see some mid cap, small cap outperformance.